Oh, this is it. My finished product. Almost finished. Ooh, I see the flake. I see the flake. This is a joke. The best I could do. The first time I do a marble technique. Well, this is the first time I do a body shop, a painting job at all. I did the best I could with no experience at all. I put some silver powder on the last coat to make it shine, to make it bright, to make it bling bling. This is something I learned from our colleague, Big Bandit 007. Look for him on YouTube, Big Bandit 007. This dude is awesome. I mean, he will help you for free, step by step, and what to do. This is my first time doing this. How I did it, go to Big Bandit, B-I-G Bandit 007. You'll see how he painted his bike candy red. And his bike, oh my god, it was off the hook. This is my best I could do with this one. Ooh, you can see the sparkling, bling, 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 bling. That's what I call blingage. Bandit, Big Bandit. Thank you so much for teaching me how to do this. I added a little extra touch at the end with the silver powder. So, I hope you like it. Thanks for letting me know how to do this. I make my booth the best I could. Hey, nothing wrong with being redneck. I got my fan down there, so we don't suck the air, all the noise and the gases and the fumes out. The heater to keep it at 80 degrees, puppy. Check that out. Keep it at 80 degrees. Keep it at 80 degrees. And then I got this big blanket, it's real thick, so I use it as a filter, as an entrance also, and a big Titan tarp. Well, I found it, I don't know. But this look off the chain. Woo! How you like them apples? Now let's get out of here. Got my little setup in my house, all the way up there, and all that is in there goes right here. That here. That here. Right there.
Are you okay?
Hey, what's up? Yeah, I'm making a video. What's up? This is my daughter right here. She was getting high in here with me. Smelling all this shit. Yeah, this is a pretty ugly Yamaha FCR 600. I did a project bike. Everything that's in there goes here. Right there. So that's what we did. Tennessee Titan, hell yeah, upside down. So, I hope you enjoy it. Big Bandit, thank you very much. See you later, bye.